Hello, this is ArthishBhaskar from the Department of Industrial Technology, here to present on the topic GE's Green Initiatives. This is a project under the course IT 191T under the instructor Dr. Arun Nambiar. Let's first learn about what is General Electric. General Electric was founded in the year 1892. It was developed between Thomas Edison's business interests and Charles Coffin's Thomson-Houston Electric Company. Today, the company is an advanced technology, services, and finance provider, which tackles some of the world's toughest challenges. It's known for its leadership in management and the quality of its senior leaders. GE's energy business helps customers in power generation, industrial, and government sectors. The business also offers aircraft engine derivatives for use as industrial power sources and also gas turbines and generators that are used in power plants for generation of electricity. GE's revenue in 2010 amounted to over $150 billion, its energy business supplying $37 billion of those revenues. Now let's see what this eco-imagination is all about. There is a global race growing in the area of clean technology and energy efficiency. GE's Green Initiative has led them to come out with a new idea towards sustainability called eco-imagination. GE worked with Green Order, which is basically a firm that has become a leader in advising businesses about environmental strategy and marketing in order to develop the Eco-Imagination Initiative. The Eco-Imagination Initiative developed out of a desire to connect GE's energy disparate activities together under a powerful brand. Eco-Imagination is a combination of a market campaign, a corporate strategy, and a guide for product and service. This program clearly focused on green products like wind turbines and also more industrial behind-the-scenes offerings such as energy-efficient motors. GE is going on a spending spree by investing them on renewable-related clean tech, including energy storage, solar, LED, lighter materials, and advanced manufacturing, as well as energy efficiency, distributed energy, fuel cells, and biofuels. Eco-imagination is and has always been about using General Electric's invention and scale to solve tough challenges in a way that benefits the environment and business economics. Let's see what kind of impact has eco-imagination has had on the present-day world. The Eco-Imagination Initiative was well received, and that forced General Electric to come up with more new ideas that had no connection with the traditional energy business. The interest in the renewable green energy was very high. That interest came in from organizations that had no connection with General Electric. Eco-Imagination helps customers to meet demands for products that reduce their impact on their environment. And Eco-Imagination's goal is to invest in a future that creates innovative solutions to environmental challenges. With the success of Eco-Imagination growing steadily, GE has committed to more than double its research investment in clean technologies to $1.5 billion by 2010. The company has also pledged to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions. Eco-Imagination practices the belief that financial and environmental performance can be broken down to accelerate the profitable growth. The investment in Eco-Imagination has resulted in profit for shareholders. It has motivated their employers, who are always on the lookout for more efficiencies and savings. More efficient operations free up capital for additional smart, clean energy and efficiency investments. Eco-Imagination helps to reduce customers' operating expenses, reduce emissions, and also make them more competitive. GE has pushed its green initiative, Eco-Imagination, into some complicated territory by encouraging ideas to reduce greenhouse gases from Canadian oil sands production. The reason behind its complication is that there are some environmental groups that are fighting against the greenhouse gas heavy source of fossil fuels belonging to the Keystone XL pipeline. Ecomagination has reduced its greenhouse gas emissions (GHG) and has improved the energy efficiency of its operations. General Electric has reduced GHG by 24%. It has reduced water usage and simultaneously improved the reusage of water. The most commendable work of the Ecomagination initiative is keeping the public informed. They have an updated website, which is ecomagination.com, where the public can learn more and get involved in a dialogue about General Electric, Ecomagination, their customers, and their diverse stakeholders. Products of Ecomagination. GE Plastics celebrates two significant additions to its Ecomagination portfolio. They are Valox IQ resin and Zenoi IQ resin. The two above resins were developed to examine the company's manufacturing processes to redefine how its products can be made to be cleaner and more environmentally responsible than normal materials. These new resins added three critical environment concerns. They are conserving energy, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, and reducing post-consumer waste. The resins are created using polybutylene terephthalate (PBT) based polymers, which is derived from 85% of the post-consumer plastic waste. They consume less energy and yield less carbon dioxide while being manufactured when compared to normal resins. The other beneficial outcomes from this practice are: they reduce carbon dioxide emissions by at least 1.7 kg per kg of resin and save up to 8.5 barrels of crude oil per 1000 kg of resin. If all PBT was replaced with Valox IQ and Zenoi IQ resins, it would have created a wastage of 562,000 metric tons per year of polyethylene terephthalate (PET). This is equal to 22.5 million bottles, which is more than enough to circle the Earth 120 times if aligned end to end. In automotive applications such as connectors, lightning bezels, energy absorbers, and body panels, Valox IQ and Zenoi IQ offer a competitive advantage through the following: reduced carbon dioxide, post-consumer waste, and petrochemical waste; reduced vehicle weight for greater fuel efficiency; chemical, thermal, and impact resistance; enhanced design friend; parts consolidation. If all PBT was made using GE's Valox IQ resin technology, it would result in an annual reduction of 1.4 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions, and this is equivalent to planting a forest with a total area more than the size of Tokyo. Ecomagination added more fame to itself by increasing renewable energy in Turkey by completing a wind farm. Ecomagination is General Electric's brainchild to solving the world's toughest environmental challenges through its initiatives, including General Electric's 2.5 megawatt turbine. GE have incorporated their initiative into their healthcare division also. By recording the patient demographic and clinical information electronically, Ecomagination makes this information more accessible to clinicians and reduce the amount of paper used and stored. The digital mammography platform can replace an analog mammography system that processes 27,400 films per year. The digital mammography system can eliminate the need to store and landfill more than 890 pounds of film annually. GE's new WAVE bioreactor system, used for vaccine and other biotherapeutic production, helps in cell culturing without requiring cleaning or steam sterilization by using disposable bags. The family of magnetic resonance MR systems use 34% less energy than previous generation systems. The family of MRs include Optima MR360, Brevo MR355, and Cinia HD 1.5T. GE's Healthcare Plus Plus Pack polymer bottle can help a radiology department reduced the weight of its contrast media red bag waste by more than 75%. Another product of Ecomagination is Prophecy, that is, General Electric's software platform. It's used for industrial and commercial applications to provide insight into process, asset performance, and also identity waste to reduce costs and take corrective action in the process, enabling companies to increase productivity and efficiency. They also help in optimize production and decrease energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions. The Prophecy software platform is another child of Ecomagination for improving overall process efficiency, reducing waste and defects, and reducing energy usage. Prophecy software's integrated capability to collect, organize, analyze, and drive work processes around massive volumes of real-time data provides companies with a sustainable advantage in the future. We thus preserve a Myrtle Beach community that offers energy-efficient homes and healthy lifestyles is the first to participate in the General Electric's Ecomagination initiative. The community is going to be built with innovative design to decrease energy consumption by at least 20%. Homes and condos are going to be built with materials that have energy-efficient properties. Similarly, windows and doors will be installed tightly to limit drafts. Living spaces also will be equipped with energy-efficient appliances, heating and cooling systems, light bulbs, and other products. As a result, the added costs are minimal, and they are well worth it because buyers will see a return on their investment with savings on electric utilities and reduced emissions. An Ecomagination product used in the GE wastewater treatment system uses entrapped air flotation technology, which enables the plant to reduce the amount of waste solids produced during the wastewater treatment system by 425,000 pounds per week. As a result, it eliminates the need to transport the waste solids off-site, which in turn reduces the greenhouse gas emissions from trucking by more than 800,000 pounds per year. Ecomagination has proved its worth in converting a diode, which is a normal semiconductor device, into something more efficient than its normal compatriots. This nanotube device has been manufactured with the ability to perform multiple functions. It can perform its function as a diode and as a two-type of transistors. Their purpose has been modified such that it should be able to detect light and also emit light. GE conducts the Ecomagination Challenge, wherein multiple organizations, even startup companies, can submit projects and ideas which help in developing a greener environment. One of the challenges saw a winner being Pythagoras Solar. They are the suppliers of photovoltaic glass unit. They came up with the industry's first solar window to simultaneously deliver energy efficiency, high power density, and transparency. This idea was recognized as a promising building energy innovation. It revolutionizes the construction industry by offering sustainability benefits and, most importantly, zero energy buildings. Some of the R&D projects that were worked upon due to Ecomagination are as follows. A new battery technology wherein sodium-ion and lithium-ion are combined to lessen the trade-offs between power output and energy storage capacity. An improvement in wind energy by producing longer and aerodynamic blades that are made of resins and carbon fibers. This results in improving the turbine blade performance and thereby reduce the cost of generating wind power. Delivery of real-time information is important within the electric grid and increase its efficiency in the process with the help of smart grid technologies. Coal is a very important resource in the future. Hence, a coal-based power production method is being used to convert coal into syngas fuel, thereby reducing emissions and capturing carbon dioxide in the process. The syngas will then be burned to produce electricity. Another fascinating effort from Ecomagination is to develop a bendable paper-thin form of emission source that can be painted or mounted on the walls of rooms. Hence, eco-imagination is the most successful business strategy ever at General Electric, transformed the company into something new, energetic, vital, and exciting and thriving. Thank you.